Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you all how to make SVGs and then upload them to Etsy so that you can make money. I'm going to be using Adobe Illustrator, and the first thing you want to do is go to Google and search the image that you want to use. I'm using a Grinch face, and behind that you want to type in PNG. So whatever image you want to use, type in PNG behind it, and then you will go down and select the image that you want. And the one that I'm going to use is this one over here. So you just want to click it. Sometimes it'll bring you to a site where you can download a PNG, but this one looks like it's already in a vector format. So what I'm going to do, as you will see, is I will go back and just right click it and download it. So I just went back, right clicked it and saved it to my computer. And then I'm going to go on over to Adobe Illustrator, select new file, and select the size that I want. I just typically use the 8.5 by 11 and just click create. And once it pulls up, I will then go in and add the image. And to add the image, you will go up to the top and select file and then place. And after you have selected file and place for your image, you will go into your downloads folder or wherever the file was saved and click it and then insert it. And to insert it, you just click it on the screen, and as you can see, I'm going to shift and drag out the corners to make it a little bit bigger. Then you're going to go up to the top where it says image trace, and there will be a drop down arrow. And typically I like to select more colors, so even though it's not 6 colors, I select 6 colors just in case some of the colors don't translate. And then there is a tool menu bar here where you can adjust the number of colors. As you can see, it goes dark when you select a less amount of colors. And then there are some other tools that you can play with. If the image doesn't look how you like it or as crisp as you would like it, you can just slide them and play with it and see how it looks and change it to your liking. And after you have the image adjusted to your liking, you're just going to go back up to the top and click expand. Now that you have the image expanded, you're going to go over on the side menu bar, and as you can see, there's like 2 squares that are stacked together, and this allows you to display the layers. So you want each layer to be displayed. This is very important. It allows you to see each individual color, and this essentially determines how the image will cut. So this is a very important step. So next we're going to go ahead and save this image, and I'm going to show you what it looks like if you leave it like this and don't adjust it at all. So we're just going to save this as Grinch 1 and follow up with uploading it to Cricut. So once I have my file named, I'm going to go down to the format and change it to SVG. That is also very important. And then you're going to save it and press OK. Now we'll head over to Cricut Design Space and upload the image. So we'll click upload image, browse, and then find it in our downloads folder where we saved it as Grinch 1. Then we'll open it. We'll just go ahead and click continue and upload. And once we've uploaded, we're just going to add it to our canvas. And as you can see, this is what I mean by it is important to have the layers displayed. As you can see, there are so many different layers, and if we do not adjust the image, it will cut exactly like this, and it will make your picture or your SVG very complicated. So we're just going to head back over to Illustrator, and we're going to fix this. To do this, we're going to select the image and click object and then ungroup. This detaches all of the parts, and then we're going to first delete that white space. We're just going to select it and press delete. Next, we're going to compound path the images or the same light color. So you're going to go select fill color, and this just allows the image to search all of the colors that are the same. And then you're going to go up to object and you're going to go down to not path, but you're going to keep scrolling down to where you see compound path, and then you're going to select make. As you can see, I'm still navigating it, but you're going to go down to select compound path and select make, and this joins together all of the light colors. So all of the red, which is there's only one red piece, but if there are multiple, it's just going to join them all together. And next we'll just follow up with each color. So we're selecting the green, we're going to go to fill color, and then we'll go to compound path and make. And again, we're following the same steps with each color in each layer. So next we'll just finish with the second color, which is the yellow. Compound path, make, and you just repeat these same steps until all of the same colors are grouped together. Okay, now that all of the colors are connected to the same color, we're just going to go and resave it to Grinch 2, and it is already formatted as an SVG, so we'll just click save and OK. And then next we want to select the entire image and group it together, and then we'll resave it. And now we're just going to upload it into Cricut Design Space, so we'll move the old one out of the way, and then we'll upload the new image, and you will see the difference. Now that we have uploaded the second one, you can definitely see on the sidebar the difference. There are so many less layers, and it will make your job a whole lot better. And essentially, if the image isn't compounded together the same colors, it could mess up the SVG, so you do want to follow that step. So this is how you would turn it into an SVG, and then you would click make it, and this tab will show you exactly the difference that it makes in terms of how the image will cut. Now that we have the image made, we're going to go over to our Etsy and add it to our shop. I will walk you step by step on how to add the SVG to your Etsy shop. So we'll just go right on over, and we're going to create a thumbnail. So I already have my mock-up made. You can make your own as well. I did this in Adobe Illustrator also. So I just have a white background with my shop name going down it, and then I have the SVG title at the bottom. You can make yours look however you want. Some people just use a t-shirt mock-up and add it to theirs. However you decide to format your thumbnail for your Etsy photo is totally up to you, but this is how I like to do mine. So we're just going to format that, and then I like to take a screenshot of the image. How the colors look, I will select it and just change it to a print cut. It just makes the image sometimes pop out, and then also when the image doesn't have a black outline like this Grinch face does, it has like a black outline, which makes it look weird. So I just like to edit it as a print and cut, and then do the screenshot. Now we're going to head back over to Etsy and click at the top right corner, add a listing, and you will add your photo. So when you click this, it will go to where you created your thumbnail, and this is my thumbnail, so I just go in and insert it from my files and add it. You can also add more pictures. The more pictures you have, the better, but since we only have this one, we just add one image to it and it's fine. Next, you're going to title your image. This is very important. This is how your listing will be found, as well as the tags. So the title and tags, and as well as the description, are very important. So you do want to be very strategic on how you list your Etsy listings, so that your listings are able to be found. So we'll just put this information in, and I just like to put it in the SVG category. Then it'll pop up a tab for digital, and I just save it into that one. And then I'll just keep scrolling down and filling out the other tabs of information. I will also do a detailed video on how to start an Etsy shop and give you more tips and tricks. And all of these other categories are really irrelevant except for the holiday tab. I'm going to select Christmas, and the occasion, there's no occasion, so we skip that one. And then renewal options, this is up to you, but I like to keep mine as automatic, so they automatically renew and they don't expire. And the next, when you select the type of listing, you want to be sure to select digital. And as you can see from my description, I'm just copying and pasting my title. And you can add more information about your listing in that tab, but I like to keep mine short for now. And then I'm just going to go in and add my tags. Next, you want to price your item, and I like to keep mine priced similar to what they are selling for on Etsy. So you would just search what you are selling and see how other shop owners are pricing theirs, and then I would just put in my quantity. And the last step would be to upload the file. So you would go into your files and upload it and add it to your listing. And finally, you'll just go to publish your listing once you have completed each step. And then Etsy does charge a 20-cent publishing fee for all listings. So you'll just click publish, and that is it. That's how you add a listing. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you for watching.